Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to generate a list of random numbers in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like a list of random numbers to test out certain code or to see if a certain algorithm works well. So I'll be showing you how to generate a list of random numbers in Python. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm just going to zoom into the code a bit so it's easier to see. And what we're going to do is we're going to import the random module, and this is what is going to allow us to essentially create the random list. Now, I'm going to let my random list be called X, and I'm just basically creating an empty list, and I'm going to use a for loop to essentially update this list or append my random numbers to this list. So now I'm just going to create a for loop saying for I in range, and now this number inside the for loop is basically going to be the length of what you want your list to be. So I'm just going to go with 10, and I'm going to basically be using the random module to generate a random integer number using random.randint, and in the brackets here what you're going to put is your range for what you want the random numbers to be from. So I'm just going to go from -10 to 10, and then I'm just going to append this to my X list. And now if I print X, as you can see, I have a random list of numbers that has the length of, should be 10. And obviously, each time I run this list, my numbers will change because it is randomized. So yeah, these are just integer numbers because I chose the randint function. If you want, for example, floats or decimal numbers, you can replace that with uniform. And if I run that, as you can see, I get floating point numbers or floats or decimal numbers, and that's basically it, you guys. If you wanted to know how to generate a list of random numbers in Python, this is the easiest way I know how, and if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.